Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity Form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate the license key for Display Form Entries Pro. So after purchasing the Pro version, copy the license key from your account. Next, go to Settings inside Gravity Forms and open the Display Form Entries settings page. Right now, the license is inactive and not valid. Now I'm going to paste the license key here and click Save Settings. You can now see the settings have been saved and the license key is active. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity Form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.